Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust BMW seat full guide. Begin by sliding the seat fully back, then sit and slowly move it forward until both feet comfortably reach the pedals. Adjust height so your hips sit slightly above knees and tilt the cushion for thigh support. Use lumbar controls to fill the lower back gap gently. Finish by setting mirror positions and saving memory if available for consistent comfort. Start by activating the lumbar control and add support one step at a time until your lower back feels supported without pushing you forward. Recline the backrest slightly while ensuring you can still reach the wheel and see the gauges clearly. If your BMW has adjustable side bolsters, use them to cradle your torso for better stability during driving. Small incremental changes create long-term comfort, so test drive and readjust as needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for more car tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and how toss while you wait for adjustments. I found it handy and lightweight to keep nearby. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals so you can browse options easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Raise or lower the headrest until its center aligns with the middle back of your head to maximize protection. After locking your seat, fine-tune side and rearview mirrors so you see lanes with minimal head movement. If your BMW offers memory presets, store your preferred seat, mirror, and steering positions for quick recall. Test the saved position briefly to confirm everything returns accurately before finishing your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.